Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Asana portfolios with workload views, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Asana portfolios with workload views, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the portfolio you wish to update. In the portfolio, locate the Workload tab at the top of the screen. Click on the Workload tab to open your workload view. Here, you will see a visual representation of your team's workload. Next, review team members' workloads to identify any potential overallocations. To add tasks to the workload, click on the Add Task button. Select the tasks that you want to include from your portfolio projects. You can also drag tasks directly onto team members' schedules in the workload view. Once the tasks are assigned, take a moment to adjust their timelines if necessary. Use the timeline feature to ensure the deadlines are realistic and achievable. Next, use filters to customize the view for specific team members or projects. This will help you gain clarity. To review a specific team member's workload, click on their name in the workload chart. This will allow you to see all tasks assigned to them. If adjustments are needed, you can reassign tasks to balance the workload. After making adjustments, double-check to ensure that all deadlines align with project goals. Once finalized, click on the Save button to preserve your changes. Consider setting regular reviews of workload views to maintain balance across your team. By keeping your workload views updated, you can enhance team productivity and reduce burnout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.